If you are recording your Teams meeting, as soon as you close that meeting, it will immediately begin production of itself behind the scenes, and it will go into your Microsoft Stream account. You will receive an email in your Microsoft Gem 365 email telling you when the recording is complete, and you'll have a link to it. This will only go to the person who started the recording, and if you're doing this in your classroom with your classroom team, the only person that can record is the instructor. So let's go take a look. Here's what it looks like. And you can click on this link and it will immediately open up your Stream account. There's the video. Now notice that it is currently limited. So let's go to my content and go to videos. And so here's what you'll see. This is limited. The first thing you can do is click here and you can download the video as an MP4 file. You can download it to your computer and then you can upload it to YouTube or Kaltura and save it that way, or share it that way if you like. If you want to share it with more people, you click on this pencil icon and you can add people here that you want to share it to specifically, or you can go to my groups, or you can just share it with everyone. Click apply. When you do that, see it turns green. That means you can share it with everyone. And that everyone can see it. And you go to share. At that point you can get the link, or you can email it to certain people, or you can get the embed code and embed it somewhere.